the NOAA Radio All Hazards, WXL70 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain in Reno, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the Piedmont of the Carolinas. WXL70's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte, on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Staley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee and York. This concludes the NOAA Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. This is the NOAA Radio All Hazards, WXL70 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain in Reno, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the Piedmont of the Carolinas. The current time is 11:11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, April 4th, 2023. Yesterday's high temperature of 81 degrees occurred at 4:46 p.m. The normal high is 70. The record high is 87 degrees, which was set in 1999. Yesterday's low temperature of 55 degrees occurred at 6:21 a.m. The normal low is 46. The record low is 29 degrees, which was set in 1936. The average temperature was 68, which was 10 degrees above normal. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.15 inches. This is 0.34 inches below the normal amount of 0.49 inches for April. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 11.27 inches, which is 0.21 inches above normal. There were no heating degree days yesterday, which is 8 below normal. This leaves the monthly total at 16, which is 17 below normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 2,364.
Now we gotta wait
below normal.
for KHC27.
Which is 2 above normal. This brings the monthly total to 9, which is 5 above normal. The yearly total since January 1st is 42, which is 26 above normal. The normal high temperature for today is 70 degrees, and the normal low is 46. The record high for today is 88, which occurred in 1942, and the record low is 26, which occurred in 1891. Sunrise today is at 7:05 a.m. and sunset is at 7:48 p.m. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the Charlotte metropolitan area on Wednesday, April 5th. At Charlotte Douglas International Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 76 degrees, the dew point 66, and the relative humidity 71%. The wind was southwest at 13 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.17 inches and rising. At Gastonia,
You activated. Very nice.
the temperature was 75 degrees. At Monroe, it was sunny. The temperature was 77 degrees. At Rock Hill, it was sunny. The temperature was 75 degrees. Elsewhere in North Carolina, it was sunny, with a temperature of 77 at Fayetteville and 79 at Wilmington. It was mostly sunny, with a...
All right, now we wait for catch.